watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
As summer approaches, it's the perfect time to refresh your home with simple, stylish decor ideas. Embracing lighter colors, decluttering, and adding seasonal accents can transform your living space into a bright, airy sanctuary. Here are some easy and effective ways to update your home for the warmer months. Switch to lighter colors. Brighten your space with soft shades of blue, cream, beige, and white. Update curtains, bedding, and accessories to lighter fabrics and colors for a fresh, summery feel. Clear out the clutter. Simplify your home by reducing clutter. Use decorative baskets for storage, creating a clean, minimalistic look. Incorporate greenery and fresh blooms. Bring nature indoors with live plants like ferns or palms. Fresh flowers, such as hydrangeas, add vibrant color, while foul plants offer a maintenance-free option. Summer bedroom ideas. Refresh your bedroom with cotton and linen fabrics. These breathable materials keep you cool and comfortable during the hot summer nights. Living room summer decor. Update throw pillows, rugs, and baskets with lighter, brighter colors and summery fabrics. Natural fiber rugs like jute or sisal create a relaxed, beachy vibe. Add a touch of summer to your kitchen. Brighten your kitchen with citrus-colored decor and summer-inspired artwork. Display bowls of fresh lemons or limes as colorful centerpieces. Add summer accents to entryways. Use fresh or foul greenery in decorative planters. Seasonal items like sun hats or beach bags enhance the summer feel. Make the most of your outdoor spaces. Treat your patio or porch as an extension of your home. Add rugs, throw pillows, and potted plants to create a cozy, inviting outdoor area. Refresh your front door. Replace your doormat with a fresh, clean one. Add a seasonal wreath to welcome guests with a touch of summer charm. Window boxes for curb appeal. Enhance your home's exterior with window boxes filled with vibrant flowers. These add beauty and a touch of nature to your windowsills. Invest in outdoor furniture. Upgrade your outdoor seating with comfortable and stylish furniture. This makes your patio or backyard an inviting retreat for relaxation and entertaining. With these simple and stylish summer decor ideas, you can easily transform your home into a bright and welcoming space. Embrace the season with light colors, greenery, and thoughtful touches that make every room feel like a summer sanctuary. Start decorating today and enjoy the refreshing ambience of your updated home.